As the chief editor and publisher at Stardom Books, one of the most commonly asked questions I get all the time is, Ram, what type of book should I publish? And most people think about their own kind of personal journey when they imagine their own book. Well, the type of book that you should write can be directly linked to the results or benefits you desire, coupled with addressing specific problems, issues, concerns, or challenges you may be having in your life or work or business. Let's explore some of these with example. Here are 12 types of books you can think of based on this principle. I teach this to the world's top 1% leaders. Now let's dive deeper and explore some examples, see some examples. The first one is what we call as a value book. The desired results or benefits include more leads, more sales, and the problems or the issue or concern addressed with this strategy is lead generation. If you are considering expanding your business outreach, a value book showcases the unique offerings of your business or brand and attract potential clients perhaps, and amplifying sales. If these are your ideas, this value book could be the kind of book that you need to create. And it is perfect for entrepreneurs wanting to establish a robust lead generation channel. And example, the book Crush It, Why Now is the Time to Cash In on Your Passion. This is by Gary Vaynerchuk, and Gary's book provides valuable insights into personal branding and turning passions into profitable careers. Next one, a niche book on your specialty. What do I mean by that? So the desired result or benefit is clear value distinction, and the problem, issue, concern addressed is commonness. In a saturated market, it's crucial to distinguish oneself, dive deep into your niche, offering kind of insights that no one else does. This is the idea here, and this book will establish you as kind of an unparalleled expert or expertise. So for example, the lean startup, how today's entrepreneurs use continuous innovation to create radically successful businesses. And that's by Eric Rice. And Rice hones in on a kind of specialized methodology for startups when distinguishing this approach from traditional business strategies. That's why it is useful and successful. Next one, the best practices books. This is for thought leaders or to establish yourself as a thought leader. And the problem or issue, concern or challenge addressed is competition. Becoming a guiding star in your industry. Like a best practices book can set industry standards and position you as a thought leader ahead of other competitors perhaps. And a good example is Good to Great, Why Some Companies Make the Leap and Others Don't. This is by Jim Collins, and if you have read the book, you will know that Collins meticulously analyzed various companies and identified some of the best practices, and those practices made those companies outstanding. That's why this book is powerful and successful. Next one, Book of Proofs, Case Studies. And here the desired result or benefit is credibility and reputation. And the problem or issue addressed is attention and trust, of course. So build trust and win attention by showcasing real life examples or success stories or case studies that prove your methods and approaches. Now, example, Made to Stick, Why Some Ideas Survive and Others Die by Chip Heath and Dan Heath. And this book provides a myriad of examples and case studies on what makes ideas memorable. Next one, how to book. Kind of the desired result or the benefit is becoming a media magnet. And the problem, issue, or concern addressed is name and fame, what I call as want of name and fame. So, being an expert in how to, can gain you media spots easily as a reliable go-to person for your industry, and it's a great way to garner attention and establish yourself firmly. Very good example is How to Win Friends and Influence People, famous book by Dale Carnegie. And Carnegie's timeless book provides actionable advice on improving personal and professional relationship, right? Next one, FAQ type book. FAQ stands for frequently asked questions. This is a specific type of book that you can create with the desired result or benefit. Could be like market share, and the problem or issue or concern addressed here is marketing, sales, revenue. A giveaway book that answers frequently asked questions can be a gold mine, helping in efficient marketing and boosting sales and revenues. Let me give you an example. $100 startups. The subheadline goes like, reinvent the way you make a living, do what you love, and create a new future. And this is by Chris Guillebeau. Hope I'm saying the name properly. Chris, I will stick to Chris. Chris offers insights from numerous case studies and FAQs for budding entrepreneurs. Next one, the solutions book. Here the desired results or benefits are low cost advertising and of course credibility as well. And the problem is, or the issue or concern addressed is high advertising costs. If you are tired of high ad costs, why not let your book be the advertisement? Offer solutions to common problems in your field, establishing your brands or your own credibility on the way. So here's an example, 0 to 1 Notes on Startups or How to Build the Future by Peter Thiel. Thiel provides unique solutions to budding entrepreneurs addressing various startup challenges. That's why this book is famous. Next one, Anecdotes or Hobby or Listicle, what we call as Listicle-type books. And the desired benefit here is excitement, of course. And the problem or issue or concern addressed is boredom. You can spark interest and excitement with relatable anecdotes and or hobbies or quick lists. We call it as listicle type information, and this is perfect for personal branding if you ask me. And here's a good example, Outliers, the story of success by Malcolm Gladwell. And Gladwell in this book shares intriguing anecdotes and stories, list of all different stories about what makes high achievers different. Useful, isn't it? Next one, Lessons or Insights book. So here the benefit is fulfillment, of course, and the issue, problem, or concern addressed is giving back to society. Share your life lessons or insights and perspectives to help others navigate their paths, fulfilling your desire to give back to the community. And the example here is, of course, none other than the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. And in this book, Covey shares informative and transformative lessons that have proven to be effective for individuals globally on a global scale. Very powerful, very famous book. Next one, Personal Satisfaction. The benefit is personal satisfaction, and the type of book here advises legacy or hero's journey book. And the problem or the issue or concern addressed is unfulfilled dream or adventure that can now be fulfilled. This is by documenting your life journey or adventures, and maybe you want to leave behind a legacy, and also it's about finding personal satisfaction in sharing your personal story. And a good example of that is Shoe Dog by a memoir by the creator of Nike, written by Phil Knight. And Knight narrates his journey of creating and building Nike, a blend of his personal and professional life as well. Next one, branding or value book. Here, the benefit is startup growth or maybe even attract talent. So the problem or the concern or issue addressed is stunted or delayed growth. How to use a book in this, in this situation as a strategy. So this is perfect for startups actually. So here's where you can cement your brand's principles, your startup's principles and values in the form of a book, and on the way you will be helping your business grow, and also maybe you will attract the right talent as well, because people get attracted to the kind of culture that you have in your organization. So a good example is Start With Why, how great leaders inspire everyone to take action. It's by Simon Sinek, and Sinek discusses the power of why in branding and emphasizing its significance in attracting loyal customers and employees as well. Last one in this video is investor relations book. So here the benefit or the result is ability to raise money, and the problem or issue or concern fixed is lack of funding, of course. So if you're targeting potential investors, you can outline your business's potential, your strategies and your vision in a dedicated book to secure funding. That is the purpose of the book. Here's a good example. The hard thing about hard things. Building a business when there are no easy answers. It's by Ben Horowitz. Ben Horowitz is the co-founder of venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz. And in this book, he narrates his journey of navigating the challenging world of startups. This book not only provides deep insights into the startup world, but also played a role in establishing Horowitz's reputation, making it easier for him to attract investors and partners. Right? So that's about different types of books. And in conclusion, the journey to your own authorship is not just about writing, it's about writing the right book. Reflect on your core desires and objectives and the problems or issues you want to solve or address, and the correct book type will not only set you on the correct path or the right path to success, but also bring immense satisfaction in having achieved your desired results. If you'd like to solve any of these problems, challenges discussed today and in this video, and also desire the associated benefits or results by becoming an author yourself, I can help. How? I can help you write any of these kind of books, because we have a team who are trained to help you write any type of book with us. But before that, do you even know whether it's a good strategy for you? To understand that, I recommend you take a free assessment at stardombooks.com/SS. Go here, take the 20-minute free self-assessment. It's fun, it's free, and it will provide you a lot of clarity, and it will also help you choose the right type of book, and whether the strategy of writing a book or using a book as a strategy is going to be useful and beneficial for you or not, given your specific situations, right? So go ahead, go to stardombooks.com/SS, take the free assessment, and let's connect and let's see how we can work together. Or you can also reach me directly, online, offline. Go to any of my websites or social media, ping me, DM me, go to our website, contact us, and or you can also speak to one of our publishing advisors and get all the clarity you need. And I hope you will be able to use these strategies to write and publish your own book and become famous, become well known, and achieve all your dreams and reach the top 1% in your industry and your field. Let's meet again. Until then, keep smiling, believe in yourself, and get all the best things in life.